Hi! In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create two variants of a Metaballs pattern in Adobe Illustrator. To get started, create a new document with dimensions of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Then click Create. Activate the Ellipse tool to create a circle. Click on the canvas to open the dialog box. Set the width and height to 100 pixels, then click OK. Fill the circle with any color you want and set the stroke width to 20 pixels. Align the stroke to center. In this example, the circle color is FFD662. Right-click the circle, go to Transform, Move, set the horizontal amount to 100. Leave the other settings at 0, then click Copy. With the duplicate still selected, press Ctrl-D on Windows or Command-D on Mac to repeat the duplication. Select all using the Selection tool, right-click, Transform, Move, set the horizontal amount to 0 and the vertical amount to 100, then click Copy. Press Ctrl-D or Command-D again to repeat the duplication. Now select all the circles, go to Object, Expand, then click OK. With all circles still selected, press Alt on Windows or Option on Mac and drag the circles to duplicate them. Select the first group of circles, activate the Shape Builder tool, then create a Metaballs shape by connecting the second circle to the fourth circle. Create another Metaballs shape by connecting the fifth circle to the ninth circle. Next, activate the Selection tool and select the second group of circles. Activate the Shape Builder tool again, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, then perform the same steps as before. While still holding the Alt or Option key, remove any unwanted shapes by following this example. Then, activate the Selection tool, select the remaining shapes, and change the color using the eyedropper tool or any color you prefer. Next, select the first section. Go to Object, Ungroup. Select one Metaballs shape, then hold Shift, select the other Metaballs shape, and move them out of the section. Now select the first Metaballs variant, go to Object, Pattern, Make. If a dialog box appears, just click OK. Set the width and height to 200, then click Done. Then, select the second Metaballs variant. Go to Object, Pattern, Make. Set the width and height to 200, then click Done. Once you're finished, remove the shape samples. Now we're going to apply the two Metaballs variants to two different square shapes. Create a rectangle of any size you like, then fill it with any color. In this example, the color is 00539C. This rectangle will be the background for the first pattern variant. Simply Alt-drag the rectangle to create a background for the second pattern variant. Alt-drag again to create another duplicate, then open the Swatches panel and select the first Metaballs pattern variant you just created. Alt-drag the rectangle again to create another duplicate, then in the Swatches panel, select the second Metaballs pattern variant. This completes the Metaballs patterns. If you need to change the pattern color, go to Edit, Edit Colors, Recolor Artwork, and adjust the color wheel to your preference. To close the Recolor dialog box, click anywhere on an empty space. However, you cannot move the pattern even when moving the square shape. To make it movable, select the pattern, go to Object, Expand, then click OK. Now when you move the square, the pattern will also move since it has been converted into vector shapes. To make the individual shapes editable, the simplest way is by rasterizing them and then converting them back into vector graphics. To do this, go to Object, Rasterize, then click OK. Trace the image with the 3 colors option. Click Expand, then go to Object, Ungroup. Now you can customize each individual shape. Select the white background and press Delete on your keyboard. You can now change the color of each Metaballs shape. And that's how you create Metaballs patterns in Illustrator. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.